So in this video, we will see some JavaScript concepts. So first, um, to go into that terminal where we can type JavaScript code, we have to go into um, control. We have to type Control Shift I, or we can go into settings from here, more tools. Then we can go into developer options. So we will get this inspect option. Okay, this. Then we will get this option for inspect. Okay, so this is after that we can go into console and we can practice your JavaScript for initially. Then after that, okay, so I have created some notes. So first we have to see what is alert. So for alert, when we want to show some alert, we can use this alert and say I want to alert hello. Then okay, again I have to do alert, and so message will be popped up of hello like this. Okay, let me check if I can increase size. Hmm, okay, never mind. So after alert, what it does is it will show message on the screen. Then multi-line instructions in browser. Okay, so like if I want to create multi-line instructions, suppose if I do alert hello, and again after this immediately I want to print world. So if I print enter, this is getting printed, right? So I don't want like that. I want alert, and after that I want hello, another message. So what I can do is I can press shift and enter, so it allows me to go on the next line, alert world. So now see, we can see that it shows hello and then world. So for multi-line instructions we can press shift and enter. The second concept done. Then hidden area and snippets in Chrome. So this is to find that hidden area. We have to go, we can go in sources and we have to click on this arrow, right arrow, and we can go in snippets. So we can create here new snippet and give it name as index.js. So here we can do our JavaScript thing. So suppose alert hello, where hello is not defined, hello as message, and I want to check. So control enter. See, this is happening. So here advantage is we can do multi-line without. We can go on next line. So if code is big, so we can use this. So from now on, we will use this only. Okay, and semicolon is not that compulsory. Control enter. When we click control enter, then it will get executed. This works like our VS Code only. Later stage we have to use VS Code only, but now this is okay. Then after this, next is Windows.object.alert. So like here we will get option with close, minimize, maximize like that. It will show in tab like that. Okay, when you will see, then you will get idea. So window dot alert. So like we learned something, like so we will type learned. Okay, and it got messed up. Just we will Run this hello world and now learned. Okay. It is same as this only. What I was saying was different. Windows object represent browser window or tab. Again we will try single only. Let's see if what I'm saying is right or not. Windows.alert learned. Okay. Let's try in console. It is same. So our concept will be cleared. Window dot windows dot alert and hello. Now let me check. Okay, so it's same as alert, normal alert. After that, next thing is data type. So in this we don't have to in JavaScript like C++ we don't have to take care of data type. Our compiler handles it automatically. Like we just have to tell. Suppose I have okay, let's go in sources or let it be hello. Hmm, what is that? Console.log type of. Okay, so we have to use type of keyword to get data type. Type of is this is sensitive? No. Okay, type of, and then if we type here hello, then it will tell that it is character or string, whatever it is. Okay, we want one bracket is missed, closing bracket. Now it is string. Now if we use same and give here number type of one, and if I enter, so it will say it is number. Like this it is used. If I give true, then it will say as boolean, like that. After that, data types and type of operator. Okay, we did this. After that, prompt function is used for taking inputs. So like that, suppose prompt, what's your name? So now it will ask for input. Okay, what's wrong with this? HP capital, PRMPT, what's your name? Okay, we end with closing. Okay, so it asks for input. I can say my name is Gaurav like that, but it is not stored anywhere. So we can do this. We will see properly when we will see what is variable. So here comes variable. So variable is like a container which stores a value. So where suppose I am giving my name is equal to, and I am telling that it's Gaurav. Okay. So it stored my name as Gaurav, and whenever I will print console.log my name, here we don't have to do this, give this colons. Okay, then afterward it will print. Okay, I spelled wrong console spelling. console.log my name. Then it will show that it's Gaurav. See, we can see here. Also, one thing in JavaScript, we use console.log for output, like we use cout in C++. Okay, then next thing is okay, we did with variables. Okay, I also show prompt in this. So, okay, so let's say my where my last name is equal to prompt enter your last name. Okay, so done with this. Now it will ask prompt is not this. Okay, prompt. So now what it will do is it will ask as input for my last name and it will save it. So I can say it's Harayan. So now it's saved. So if I log last name, then it will show as Harayan. So it's that easy. Variables console.log and prompt. After that, variable uses with alert. Okay, so we can alert whatever we take as variable. So now if I have taken what is my last name as variable. So again, I can show that message alert my last name because it's saved. So it no need to create again. So we can see that it got displayed. Again, string concatenation. So this is very important concept. So suppose now I have my first name. So I'm creating another variable as my full name, and where full name is equals to okay, then what I can do is I have my name and my last name, so I can concatenate. Concatenate is merging two strings like that. So what I can do is my name plus my last name like this, and a full name will be created. So now if I log, okay, space was necessary, it will get joined. So I will show again with space console dot log. What was that? My full name. Okay. So now if I log this, it will show Gaurav Haryan. So let me alert, not alert, but I have to update my last name. So my full name. Now again, when using that container, no need to mention that it is container because we have already defined it. So my full name is equals my name plus, so I need one blank space plus my last name like this. So now this is what it got saved. Now I'll alert my full name. So say it shows Gaurav Harayan. Afterward, next important concept is string dot length. So we can get string dot length of the string by using this function. So suppose my full name, sorry, my full name dot length dot length No need to give bracket here. So it shows 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we start with 0. So 14 shows that there are 15 elements. Again, let's count 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry, not this, but my name is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so in length we are not counting with 0. I was counting with counting syntax, so that is wrong. And while counting length, we are not considering 0, but while indexing, we do consider. So now, while in the concept of slicing, we will come to know. So in slice, we use dot slice keyword. So let's see. Suppose, let's say, I'll slice my full name. I'll slice my name only. My name dot slice. It is used to get substring. It is like substring only. 1 comma 3. Okay, so first I will show you output, then I will explain how it works. Okay, so now my first name is Gaurav. I will tell you how it worked. Okay, so what it does is, okay, so here A and U, barabar. So it will go take us first to index 1. So index 1 is this A, and from index 1, what it will do is, okay, this is too small to explain. Let's see if it gets zoomed. Control. Okay, it did. So now we can see that second index means first index is A. From here we will start. This is unnecessary. Okay, so um okay, so it will start at first index, and it will take us to index 3, just before index 3, means it will not consider index 3. So in easy words, 3 minus 1 is 2, so from index 1 it will consider only two elements. So uh, from index 1 is A, and after that two elements are from here A and U, so it will only take A and U in consideration. For again another explanation, what we can do is, my name dot slice 0, 0 comma 1. Okay, so why it takes G is, it will start from index 0. So this is index 0, and it will do what, 1 minus 0 is 1. So it will consider only one element, so it is G. Again, we will check something different. How many elements are there? Okay, 6. So what I'll do is 2, it got messed up, 2 comma, okay, sorry, my number's not working. 2 comma 3. Let's see what is do. So it will show output as U, cause it will take us to index to 0, 1 and 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So it will only consider one element, that is U. So this is how slicing works, and it is very important concept in JavaScript. Then string manipulation. So what we can do is we can convert everything to uppercase or we can convert everything to lowercase. So let's convert my first name to uppercase dot to uppercase. Okay, and I press enter. Sorry, I have to press give brackets because it's function. Okay, so now what it did it is it converted my first name to Gaurav. Now what I'll do is I'll convert my first name to lowercase. So what I'll do for this, I'll type here lower. Sorry, so you have to follow your camel case notations. Camel case is like we will start with smaller letter, and after that if any sensible letter comes which makes sense, like after to lower is another word, so L will start with capital, again case will start with capital, like this. Okay, then after that if I press enter, see my this full name got converted to lowercase, like this way. Now we'll cover another important concept, that is increment and decrement operators. So let's consider one variable where num is equal to 3. Okay, then if I do num plus plus, so what it will do is it will increment 3 by 1. 3, I'll show you why it didn't happen. What it should do is 3 is to num is equal to num plus 1, like that. But okay, let's check plus plus num. Okay, so okay, again let me make where count, leave that num. I will explain you with different example. 5. Okay, so now we have create one counter of 5. So if I do plus plus count, so what it will do is it will first increment counter a value of count by 1 and then print it. So like if we print alert count, answer will be 6, like this. Okay, and what is another is after it, this is pre-increment. So first we increment and that then we define that what we have to increment, and another is post increment. So count plus plus. So now when I press enter, whatever I will see is what immediately gets printed. Okay, so see, it is showing 6. Okay, it is showing 6 because I am on current line only. What count post increment does is it doesn't increment on that current line. So I am on the current line only. When I will go on next line, then only it will increment this. So now if I give any another command like um, command like alert my name, and now I have gone on next line. So now if I print value of count, then it will become 7 because now I'm not on same line. So you can see value of now count is 7, like this. Pre increment and post increment works. Now value of count is 7, so now decrement also will work same. So if I do pre increment, then current value on the same line will become 6 because first I am decrementing, then I am printing. And if I do post increment, count plus plus, sorry, post decrement, then On current line it will not change, but if I again print on next line value of count, then we can see updated value which is 5. Okay, we done with increment and decrement of operators. Then very important concept, that is functions. So now this is very important. So let's see function. Okay, we'll see here only. So suppose now I have variable as variable length is equal to, okay, variable length is equal to p. Okay, and variable breadth is equals to 6. Okay, and then I want to find area where area length into breadth. So my area will be, okay, so shit, I have to deal with wrong spelling only because I declared it wrong. So this is disadvantage in console, but if I have used sources and that hidden index, it would have worked, but now let it be. So now, okay, so if I check what is area, then I'll get area, which is 3 into 6, that's 18. So what if we have to find area for multiple inputs, like for multiple length and breadth for multiple rectangles, then it's again and again hectic to calculate area by writing this line. So if something is repeating, we will use function. So let's create function area, and I'll pass two parameters. So we can give inputs from to the function from here. So I'll first give input as length from here, length comma breadth. Then afterwards I have to write in this function so what it does. So where area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so it will calculate and return area. So we can also return any output from the function. Now I am done with the function. Function is created. So whenever I want to use this function, I'll pass parameters as, suppose my length is 8 and breadth is 4. So I will pass, I'll get my output. So 8 4. Okay, it should be, why it is adding, I don't know. Let's see what wrong I did. Okay, I got, it will take breadth from here and it took length from here. Okay, so we can't directly give length and breadth. So what we have to do is, again here breadth spelling was wrong, that's why. So function is updated. Now if I say my length is 8 and breadth is, okay, breadth with different spelling, breadth is 6. Okay, then if I call my function area, area length comma breadth, then we'll get answer which is 8 6 are 48, like this. If I give directly, then also it should work. I don't know why it's not working. Let's check again. Area 12, comma 10. I don't know why it's giving 80. Let's check. Okay, so it will take length and breadth only because we have specified it that it is taking length and breadth like this. Okay, so this is how function works. Again, if I update my length as now length is equal to what I want, 12, and breadth is equal to 10, and now area length comma breadth, then it is showing 120. Okay, after this, done with functions, then some libraries, inbuilt libraries, floor, seal, and round. So what it does is it is used for rounding of numbers. So let's say where big and big number is equal to 12.122.45654, something like this, and and I'll do math dot floor big number. So it will just give starting number. Again, let's try giving getting big number to something like 9 point something. So let's check if it gives 30 123. Okay, so now math dot floor. So okay, so whatever the number is, we will get starting number as output in floor. That's clear. Then we will check for seal. So for same, what we will do, math dot seal and big number as input. So see here it is giving 123. So if the number is greater than 5 after point, then it will consider next number. Let's again update. Let's see if it is perfectly 5, then what's the case. Okay, 5, enter and match that seal. So okay, if it's greater than 5, the from 5 or greater than 5, then it considers next number. Now let's try again 499 and mat.seal. Okay, so it's anyhow anyway clear. Takes next number only. Let's check um, one, just one. So we will get clear idea. So see it anyhow is clear next number. So floor takes previous number and seal takes next number. I mean it takes floor takes this number only, and six seal will take its next number. Now for round, I guess round work the way we were talking about. So now let's check what the big number is, 12.122.1. So we will do round big number. So it's taking 122. If I update big number to 5, then let's see what's the case. Okay, so now at 122.5 it's taking 123. And now if I update to 4999, so let's see what's the case. So it's taking for 499 122, and for any bigger number, again greater than 5, 5 or greater than 5, it takes next number. This is how floor works. So these are some basic JavaScript concepts.